So hi everyone. Everybody can agree with me that one of the best ways to learn how to code is by actually building projects. And because of that, I'm going to be doing a 30-day series where I'm going to be building a fintech app. I'm going to be using the Next.js, TypeScript, TailwindCSS, other libraries, while also documenting and hosting on my GitHub. This journey is by my learning on the Global Genius platform. The Global Genius platform is what you see it is, no cap. Like, I fondly call it programming for dummies because the tutor explains everything, breaking down complex terms in such a way that even a child can understand it. If one of your goals in 2026 is to learn how to code, then hurry now. So here, this is going to be my part 1, and I'm building on this foundation. First of all, I created a directory called in my local memory here on my computer. The name is Fintech App. Then I installed the Next.js. So this is the Next.js doc, and I copied it and I installed it, and we can see that once you install it, it came with all these packages. It came with its dependencies, it came with CSS, TailwindCSS, and that's how it comes. So now I want to show you what it looks like on the local server. So I pasted it here, and this is what it looks like right now on the local server. This is where we're going to be building from, and you can see that this is what it looks like at the moment. So I'm going to also show you, because I initialized it in my Git. You can see I created a repository in my Git named Fintech App, and you can see the front end because I pushed it here. You can see the front end directory while also seeing that I'm on the main branch.